Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night, everybody. It's me, Live Jobe, Jobe just simply jovial. And today it is the chapter 88 of the Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru manga. And we're finally caught up with the latest Japanese draws, unlike last month. Well, from what I know from this chapter is that it is a arcade chapter. I don't know if how many are there, but I am sure that it involves Urushi-Ayumu, Rin, and Sakura. No. Sakurako and Takeru, but I don't know if Rin and or Maki is involved. But we'll see. We will see in the chapter when we open it. But first and foremost, subscribe, like, and watch all of my other videos. It really helps me a lot, and I will need all the support that I can get. Especially, I'm gonna be on hiatus again. Here's the video. So yeah, I'm gonna be on hiatus again, but I'm gonna do more Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru content. And if you're not gonna like, subscribe, and watch all of my other videos, then I'm dead serious. Find me a sponsor. Find me a brand to partner with. So with that being said, let's dive on it, shall we? And also comment down below on what you think about the chapter or the video or anything, your comments, your insights, your opinions, anything. I would like to listen, plus it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Maybe. Just support my channel, please. Okay, so here's to reading this one. So it's almost going with Golden Week. Okay, I don't know that, or I don't. Was it like a foundation week? Just talking about that. Do you have any plans? Somehow saying I have the process blessing. Oh no. Why Varusao? Just that besmitted face. What about you two? Do you have any plans for Golden Week? On the first day, my family will be visiting my grandmother on my mother's side. Well, that depends on Senpai. Nice. I wish I could be more like you. Well, next time. I don't have a crush on anyone or any plans on romantic romance right now. Well, I do, but I actually want to focus on college ends and my online content creation career, YouTubing, streaming. What do you mean? On the last days here with you, would you like to hang out? Attaboy. Oh yeah, if you like seeing me in a suit, or if I do look handsome with a suit, tell me below. Or if I look ugly in it, okay, tell me. I know about that one. But yeah, I do like wearing formal wear. That neutral face. Hang out there. So yeah, there is. Yes, what's wrong with that? You've already been on a date before. Chapter 21. Chapter 21 to 24. Was I right on 21, or was he gonna ask you about that on that one? Because I know it's on 20. It's the cultural festival date. Oh no, wrong chapter. Wrong arc. Wrong story arc. It's 31. It's 31. Wrong story arc. Unless you have plans on that day. Oh wait, I remember something about Golden Week on caretaker of Sonohara, so I will just put it in here on what it is. Wait, you think this is what you're doing? Wait, no, evolution is completely covered. Oh, what's this? There's a question about this stuff. I wonder what she's thinking though. Wait, I just want to feedback a little. I think this is not. What chapter was that? The arcade. So, that's fine. I'm free on the last. Actually, if anyone does anyone notice the evolutions of Urushi's face? Well, it kind of makes sense, but it's changing. The art style is changing. I don't know why, but that was awkward. Thank you so much. Alright, this will be fun. We should meet up at 1 o'clock. That works for me. Oh. It's the setup. It's the introduction of the arc. Is Takeo also coming? And good as it should be good as well. So that's what he meant. It's a sugar club get together. Wait, why does she kind of have like? Why does the face looks like something Maki would do? I don't know. I was gonna say that. Why do you feel this so disappointed? Did I want to go on a date today? Well, you already did on chapter 31 to 34, and we want more. We honestly want more. Uniform fluid set by. Yeah, there's something wrong. Okay. Oh yeah, I can say I have this one. Yeah, like for this will invite is on the next page. Yeah, the same credits will be what happened now? Join the Discord level shop is not purchase chapter 27. Oh yeah, it's noticeably how many people. Dang it. I cannot lie about that one. I actually came around chapter 70. I actually came around chapter 78 or 79 because the only reason that I did join the Discord server in the first place is for the memes. But yeah, where's the mini dialogue or some text that appears on every last page? Why don't we have one here? Headbutt me. Well, yeah. The review. Not bad for an introduction to a story arc, because I know that this will be the introduction to the arcade arc, which if you have seen Yamamoto Soichiro's Twitter, and yeah, you would know that. You would know Ayumu and Urushi, plus the giveaway, the PO giveaway, which I wish I could join, but I wish I would be sponsored or featured one. I want one pillow. I want the Shogi pillow. I need the collection. Here's my collection. I do I do have a this Takage Nishikata acrylic art, and this old Psyduck figurine or something like that. It actually comes with I actually bought it with Slowpoke and a Politoed, but I haven't seen those two in years. It's been a long time, and luckily this one survived. But Slowpoke is my favorite Pokemon though. And Psyduck is a close top 3 or top 5. Or maybe 2. Okay, my thoughts are... yeah. I knew that she would feel disappointed. Because, as I said in the last video, the chapter 87 or 86, I don't know if it's on the ASMR or no, it's 87, it's on the lapis. Oh, it is the ASMR one. That she's almost ready. She just said that she's not ready, her heart's not ready, but she actually is. But now the question here is Maki coming? We haven't seen her in a while, so there are some fans or the husbandos looking for the waifu. But not bad for a arc introduction. Well, want me to compare the few arcs that happened here? The Kojo Festival and the Athletics and Rin's introduction. I don't know. It comes forth, I guess. But this has more emotions wrapped around it because Urushi likes Ayumu now, and she hasn't really fully realized it. Well, what's the shocking part is that they had been on a date since chapter 31 to 34, but why have stronger feelings now? Now, if it's a friendly date, we could argue it's a friendly date or something like that, but is it? Is it really? Well, I think not. Is it something because Ayumu's a junior and Ushi's the senpai? I think that also. Well, let's see on the next chapter if they would really sit the same night. Please don't. I want to sleep at night and I have to do something tomorrow. And that's it for me. See you all next time. Comment please. I want to hear arguments.